What's going on, guys? Andrew Edwards here, and we're taking a look at some of the new Echo audio devices that Amazon just announced. First up is this right here. This is the Echo input. As you can see, it's an Amazon Echo. It has Echo controls on it, but there's no speaker. So you hook this up to an external speaker, and this becomes your input device. Then there is the Echo Link and the Echo Link amp. You can connect these directly to bigger speakers, better speakers, more powerful non-Amazon speakers to get the Alexa experience on your home entertainment system. This one's for powered speakers, and this one, the bigger Echo Link amp, built-in amp, and powers pretty much any home entertainment system. Lastly, there's this guy right here. This is the Echo Sub. This can connect to an Echo device and give you 1.1 sound, or it can connect to multiple Echoes to give you a deeper bass stereo system.